Hi everyone, it's a new video for today and I want to show you some kind of silvery makeup which you can use for some promotion makeup or whatever party you have at home. I already prepared my face and as a foundation for today I use this Collagen foundation and I can tell you that I pretty like it. I'm not sure how it will wear in summertime, but for now I really like it. Even for photo, for video, your face look very nice. It is not the most long wearing foundation for sure, but it can be your everyday foundation and it will not destroy or ruin your skin, as you know, if you know what I mean. All products which I use on my face I will put down in info box so you can open and check everything you're interested in. And for our eyes today I will use this Huda Beauty Smoky palette and I truly like this silvery color which we have here, and black color also is very nice. So let's start and do not spend our time. So I already did my one eye, and as a base for today I will use this concealer from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I just apply small amount on my eye and really nice blend it. And our next step, I will apply my highlighter under my eyebrow zone, and it will be this nice, some kind of champagne color highlighter. This one is really beautiful, very soft one. This one is from Belarusian brand, and I'm not sure that you can find it in Europe, but it's definitely one of my favorite. I applied under brow. Main colors which I will use for today, it will be this light brownish in a mix with all darker brownish and some black color. So let's start from base for our eyes. I will frankly use mostly these two brushes. One is like flat fluffy brush and another one very small and flat brush. I will use this fluffy one and mix first these two colors together. I lightly pack it under my crease line and creating a light form first. After I grab some darker color only my outer corner. After I grab black color with a very small brush and apply it only to outer corner. Be very careful because it can fall down, but if you work very correct, everything will be okay. And again, we back to our fluffy brush. I apply some brownish color and touch on the edges to soft everything down. You can see that it is very nice, kind of basic makeup. If you apply some neutral colors in inner corner, you will receive very natural and beautiful makeup. But we will add some silver color. With my finger only, I grab this silverish color and pack it on my lid. And if you need, after you can grab some smaller brush and just do some touch up on edges. I also do not cross this crease line. I do not want this silvery color will be above my crease. And after you can back to your previous colors and just blend edges as soft as you want it to be. My next step is brown soft pencil. This one is from Maybelline. I just create my lower lash line lightly and very fastly blend edges, and it will be base for our eyeshadows in this zone. And I fix it with a mix of brownish color. In our waterline, I apply some beige color pencil to make my eyes bigger. So this is our kind of final look. I found some decoration in silvery color, in grayish color, by fact, which I can use as decoration for my photos. You can see that it's pretty wearable makeup in silverish color, which you can use for your promotion makeup, and I truly like it. It's not intense, and that's why I decided to apply some lashes. And yes, I think it's really pretty. For my lips, I use one of my favorite lip pencils, which I use for today. It's from Lamel. I frankly don't remember where from this brand. Some lip gloss, some lipstick. Again, you can find all products in info box down, and check everything you are interested in, and check for photos in Instagram. Thank you for watching. Write your comments under, thumbs up, ring the bell, whatever you want, and see you next time.